reverse. Turn all the way to the right. Put that in drive. Alright, this time we're gonna go to the stop sign down at the end and make a left. Alright, stay on your side here, slow down. And go ahead and make your left turn. Alright, go to the stop sign down at the end and make a right turn. Stop right here. Alright, so when you make the left turn, I want you to go into the right lane. Alright, pull up a little bit. Make sure you're straight right here. And stop. And then look behind and reverse. Straight back. That's good. Stop. Now we're gonna go up and park in between these cones. Pull more closer to the right. Do your turn signals. Alright. All the way left. Wheel, straight in the middle of the spot, straighten up, and stop.
Perfect.
Perfect. Alright, wait for you.
I can't see nothing so far.
Because of the fog, I know. A little bit more. Alright, all the way left. And that's good enough. Stop. We're gonna go up here and do the 3-point turn. Alright, pull up close to the right side. Alright, stop with your shoulder right past that white line right there. Signal left, all the way left until the wheel stops. Stop before you go into the parking space here. Reverse. All the way to the right.
Turn off.
Alright, that's good. Put it back in drive. Okay, I want you to do the speed up to 20 thing and do a sudden start. So speed up 20 miles per hour.
Come on, bro. Don't come on. Don't come.
Couldn't do it. Okay, so we'll do that just going this way just for practice, right?
Okay.
So speed up to 20 miles per hour and then do a sudden stop. Right, speed up 20. Stop hard. Just like that.
Wow.
You don't save on just one thing, you save on all the things. The special things, the everyday things, and the happy dance things. Especially the happy dance things.
Alright, so we're gonna park over here. And then we're gonna do it one more time. No, that's fine. I mean, you went up a little bit too much, but that's still good. Straighten up. Go forward. And that is actually pretty good. One more time. Okay, so as soon as you get to the end of the white lines, you stop all the way to the right. Okay, that's good. And this time we're gonna make the first right turn, the first left turn, I should say, not the stop sign this time. Stay closer to the right side, signal left, right here. Alright, go to the stop sign and make a right turn, so you signal. You have to signal about 100 feet before you get to it, so yeah. Complete stop. Stop completely. Alright, go ahead and make your right turn.
I asked him when I'm turning, should I put my foot on the gas?
And what he said? Yeah, that doesn't make any sense, really. Okay, so 15 miles per hour here, that's good. And we're making a left turn, so signal left. Stop completely. And then we're gonna make the left turn and reverse. Here. Straight back. Alright, that is good. Alright, go up and park. That's good, just straighten the wheel. You don't need to turn it like that, yeah. Alright, reverse, see? So you've done it consistently. You have no excuse. All the way left, 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 left. Alright, that's good. So we're gonna go up here now and do the 3-point turn. Stay close to your right side. Alright, stop. Signal left, all the way left. Yeah. Alright, that's good. All the way right.
You know I learned this home?
From the YouTube, from my YouTube. Cool.
I count two left, one right.
Yeah. Okay, that's it. Good. Drive. Alright, so we're gonna do the speed up thing again. Speed up 20 miles per hour, sudden stop. And stop hard. Yeah, just like that. Alright, so we're gonna make the right turn. Alright, go ahead. This time we're just gonna like pull up in front of the DMV so the other girl can come in, and you just jump out and take her space. So I feel like you're ready. How you feel?
Just go that way?
Yeah, just straight down.
I feel like I need my car now.
Yeah, time to get your car.
You need to wash this thing. My girl, that's the front.
It's front of the line, that's the whole point. Take her speed. Alright, park on the right side here. Just, yeah, just turn in. Alright, that's good. Alright, so we're gonna... Okay, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
You turn it left, put the car in park with the parking brake, and then turn up the ignition.
Alright, cool. Alright, reverse and let's do this. So we're gonna go straight back. Straighten the wheel all the way around, that way. The other way. Right there. Right there. Alright. That's you doing. Alright, now all the way right. Alright. Alright, so we're gonna go to this right before the light pole and make a left turn again. Signal left.